Sewing with Girly. It's October now, so we have to do some Halloween things. Today, we're going to be making a bat bow or headband. For this bat bow, you will need the pattern from the Eli monster. You will find it on the link below. Scissors, a white crayon or colored pencil or marker, hair clips, or a headband, black felt, glue, it can be tacky glue or any like school glue, just not a glue stick, or a hot glue gun. Let's get started. Today we're going to be making the medium, so you will need to cut out the medium piece and the medium knot piece. Now we are going to trace it on our felt. Let's cut out the back piece. Now it's time to assemble. You will want the nub to be facing you, so you can make it correctly. First, you will fold this behind and accordion fold it. You will have about 3.5 folds when you are done. Like that. Now you might want some grown-up help. You will put a dab of hot glue on, and then put this on halfway through. And then you will flip it over, put a little dab right here, flip that, and then flip that. And then there is your bow. Wait for your glue to dry. So with hot glue, not very long. And once it is dried, then just stick your hair clip in at the bottom so it pops up out of your head. And now you have your very own bat bow. Isn't it cute?